let's straight go to the test. Okay, so I'll be asking you some questions from part one.
Yes, sir.
So your first question goes, how do you usually travel to work or study?
Well, I usually travel to work or study by public transport, mainly the buses. In my area, buses are available every time. On the other hand, it is convenient and also renewable and affordable for those who are a student. They get extra benefit, like they have to pay only half rent. And also that sometimes I use Rishka as a public transport because of when I need to cover a little bit time, it helps me reach my destination without any kind of hassle.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with a group of friends?
Obviously, I will prefer traveling with my friends because of I have a great company. So that when I need to go new places, I recall them and we go there together. That time we can sprint the cost, and also if anyone face any kind of problem, we try to solve it. And also that I feel very sense of pleasure when I go with my friends.
Okay. Is there a place you would like to visit in the future?
Obviously, I would like to visit Italy because I am fascinated by its natural beauty and diversity. So that Italy is also famous for its food and tradition and also education systems. I think if I go there, I can learn their activities and cultural. These things will help me to explore anything so easily.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
Basically, I am a travelholic person. That's why when I get a little bit time, I try to go new places. It helps me to gain extra knowledge, and also that when I go in front of the nature, I feel deep sense of pleasure.
Okay, my last question is to you. Did you have any different hobbies when you were a child?
Yes, when I was child, I thought that in my future I will be a doctor. But when I grew up, I changed my decisions because of I'm not good in science, and now I am preparation for Ielts. I think my future will be better in.
Okay, thank you very much, my dear students. But a very short feedbacks I'm giving you. Try to be natural, okay? It looks more artificial. Huh? The first question that you answered seems like you're just totally memorized. Please don't do that, okay? Try to look at the examiner's eye, okay? Have some like smiling face,
yes,
rather than like just I saw you looking down and just telling the whole answers. It seems like it's a memorized and artificial sense. So try to have more natural.
Yes.